Hey, I'm JP.
And I'm Lucia, and we're the co-founders of Red Oven Builds. Red Oven Builds is a custom home builder here in Austin, Texas. We specialize in large renovations and custom new homes. We started as a small renovation company, really focusing on one-bath remodels, exterior decks, and slowly but surely we've grown from there. In around 2019, we pivoted to focus on larger renovations and custom new homes, which is our bread and butter today.
We started growing our business and we started realizing very early on that we were working really hard and we weren't really seeing the results we wanted. Started looking for the right partner to help us get to where we wanted to get to. And in that partner, we were looking for someone that can offer support, guidance, of course, the coaching and some serious accountability. And that's when we stumbled upon Highspire. We had been in other programs before, but we really wanted to take it to the next level. And we wanted that additional focus on the development side, which we think ultimately is the goal we want to achieve with Red Oven. We found Highspire and we felt right into the culture. It really felt like home.
But one of the main reasons that we are so focused on dialing in our business and making sure that we can be one of the best builders in Austin is because we have a very important mission. Our youngest daughter was diagnosed with a very rare genetic condition. And so one of our goals is to be able to give back and help inspire and promote research for this genetic condition, and hopefully one day be able to help the foundation move closer to treatment or a cure. And in order to do that, we have to have a solid foundation, a great business model, a mission, a vision, purpose, values that we stay true to, goes hand in hand as to why we went out and pursued a coaching program.
When we joined the Highspire program, it was super apparent that we were definitely doing something different and we're going to take it to the next level. We started going through the courses with our coach and really honing in our SOPs and our structure so that we can run a business that is well positioned to go to the development side. So we started working with Highspire. It was very obvious to us that we were taking our business to a different level. We were sitting in a room with some phenomenal builders and great coaches that had a lot of technical knowledge. Originally, with the first few months, we started rebuilding our structure and kind of honing in on the areas that needed some help to really solidify our foundation. Once that was done, the conversation completely shifted to, okay, what's next and where are we going? And everybody started brainstorming how to start developing spec projects in different markets, of course, the different builders in the room that were already doing it or doing it differently. You added the guidance of our coach, who started really understanding our market and honing in into our business. And it's allowed us to put ourselves in the position where we are currently pursuing these specs. We are out actively in the market looking for a residential and a commercial spec because we feel that we have the infrastructure in place to go pursue it and the backing to understand all of our numbers, understand our financial models, and understand the outcomes that we want to achieve, which gives us the confidence to go and tell the market that we're here for this.
As a custom home builder, the work we do is stressful, it's complicated, it's constant problem solving every single day. And so being part of a group of Highspire, of a program that truly understands our work, truly understands our industry and our business is very rewarding. We love the coaching program as a whole, but we also really love the opportunities that Highspire puts on so that we can all come together as builders with our coaches, just meet everyone. So being able to attend the HX events in Mexico and Canada has truly been very rewarding for us. We've been able to meet other builders who we look up to, who are, in our groups, who we usually only get to see on Zoom every other week. So having that one-on-one time with them, getting to meet them face to face is always great. They put very intricate and strategic events together so that they're making sure that all these builders who are leaving, their cities and leaving their work behind to get together for a few days, get the most out of it. So being able to discuss strategy, business operations, financials, marketing with all these other builders in North America is invaluable, and it's something that we really appreciate.
HX is like our coaching for 5 days on absolute steroids.
Yeah.
And it's also fun.
Yes.
I think it's the best way to start the year.
And the problems that felt really big before you made it to HX seem just a little bit lighter when you get back.
Highspire really started making us walk the direction we really wanted to, and it really made us focus our steps. It led us to where we are today.